Hello guys, how are you? Today I have the problem as you can see on the screen. ये problem है. We are going to solve this. We have a given expression and we have to find this expression. So let's do that without any further delay. Okay, we have given here 3 to power x is equal to 5 to power y is equal to 2 to 5. So you can write this 3 power x is equal to 2 to 5 and half ka power y is equal to 2 to 5. So here we by taking log both sides ln 3 to x for x is equal to ln 2 to 5. Taking same step here as well, ln half to power x is equal to ln 2 to 5. From here I can write it as x ln 3 is equal to ln 2 to 5 or here x ln 5 is equal to ln 2 to 5. By doing here we will get ln 2 to 5 on ln 3. Sorry, here we have y now. We need to write y. Y no. In this step we have y over here. Next step we have f. From here you can get ln 2 to 5 to base ln 5. We have x and y. If you solve it, you will get. So here if we have ln 5 will come to be 5.41 or ln 3 will be somewhere 1.09. X and y same here 5.41. ln 5 will be 1.6. If you solve it further, we will get x is equal to 4.93 and y is equal to 3.37, I guess. So we have our x and y. Now put it in this equation and we have the answer. So let's put it out. 4.93 into y 3.37 on 4.93 plus 3.37. After solving, it, you will get this expression as approximate value is coming to be 2. This will be our final answer. The value of this expression will be 2. By concept of log, it is a very easy question. So this is our solution. Answer is coming to be 2. Thanks for watching.